So we are going to discuss the human value and sustainability. Values are the qualities on which worth, desirability, or utility depend. They are principles or rules generated by an ethical or a spiritual framework. So we need to understand what are values. Values are what determine how humans relate to each other, how we can treat each other, how we can live our life with integrity, trustworthiness. So this is all the part we have to integrate with our education for sustainability. We need to incorporate values in education to become sustainable living beings. Some of the values most relevant to sustainability are justice and equity. Justice means we need to be fair in using the resources. Justice and equity clearly shows that we have to stop exploiting environmental natural resources. This is our part. Water, land, biodiversity. We need to protect respect for nature and the planet and the golden rule of reciprocity. See, what is the golden rule of reciprocity? This is a law of social psychology, which means this is a simple law. Try to understand. It means we have to pay back what we received from others. This mainly in many situations, according to this law of social psychology, suppose if someone does you a favor, you are likely to return it to him. So this is the law of reciprocity. And so it's our humble duty to give our best to nature and our environment in order to save the earth. So earth can also take care of us. To make this concept more easy understanding of you, means what is the role of human values in sustainability. Now I'm going to share a short story with you all. So let us start with the story. In this story, as you see an image, in this story, Mr. Ahuja is a teacher, was teaching a lesson, and things were going as normally as ever. He was teaching to students in the class. He was explaining the story of mankind to his people. What is the story of mankind? वो अपने students को he was explaining that how the mankind going to evolve. He told them that in the beginning, man were nomads. Okay, now what is the meaning of nomads? Actually, nomads are the people who have no fixed residence. They can move from one place to another. The nomads have no residence. It's a group of people who move from one place to another. So he was teaching that in the beginning, man were nomads, that they never stayed in the same place for very long. पहले जो होते थे ह्यूमन बीइंग सभी in the beginning कि अगर हम बात करें, people were nomads. They can't stay at a place for very long. Instead, they would travel about here and there in search of food, wherever it was to be found. What is the main purpose? in search of a food, they were moving here and there, or they need to stay where they used to found that food. And when the food ran out, means the all the availability of food got exploited, can be over, they would move off to somewhere else. And when the food ran off, they would move off to somewhere else. So this is the life of nomads, as we are the people in the beginning were nomads. In the next slide, take a look. Again, he taught them about the invention of farming. He told them about how farming is going to get invented, and keeping animals. People used to keep animals that time. This was an important discovery because by learning to cultivate the land, people prefer to learn that how to cultivate the land and take care for animals, so they would always have food readily available. उन्होंने लैंड को कल्टीवेट किया, एनिमल्स की केयर की, so that whenever they want food, they had readily available with them. Now coming to the next slide, again he explained them it also meant that people could remain living in one place, and this made it easier to set about tasks that would have a long while to complete. Means it's going to stop their traveling, क्योंकि उन्होंने लैंड कल्टीवेशन सीख लिया था. They are now taking care of animals for the food dependencies, so they have to stay for a long time. And like building towns, cities, they started continue to this because they want to stay at a one place. ये अप्रोच इसीलिए आई क्योंकि वो हमेशा ट्रैवल करते रहते थे, and now they want to stay at one place, so they start building towns and cities and start. All the children were listening to this story until Preeti jumped up. Preeti was a little girl in that class, and she started saying, and if that was so important and improved everything so much, why are we nomads all over again, teacher? She simply asked that if it is so important to live in the buildings, living in a society, so why are we nomads all over again? This was the question put up by the little girl in the class named Preeti. Now, teacher Mr. Ahuja got confused a little bit because he knew that she was an intelligent girl. So he got confused with her answer, with her point. Preeti was a, he thought Preeti was a very intelligent girl. He knew that she lived with her parents in a house. So she must know that her family were not nomads. So what did she mean? टीचर भी कंफ्यूज्ड हो गए कि प्रीति ने ऐसा क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछा, क्योंकि प्रीति अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ हाउस में रहती है. शी इज लिविंग इन अ हाउस विद हर पेरेंट्स. सो व्हाई शी इज आस्किंग लाइक व्हाई वी आर nomads again? प्रीति कंटिन्यूड हर स्टेटमेंट. उसने प्रीति ने अपना स्टेटमेंट अगेन कंटिन्यू किया. शी सेड we have all become nomads again. The other day, outside the city, they were cutting the forest down. A while ago, a fisherman told me how they fish. It's the same with everyone. When there is no more forest, let the foresters go elsewhere, and when the fish run out of the fishermen, move on. That's what the nomads did, isn't it? So, this was a really valid point. उसका मतलब सिर्फ यही था कि जैसे हम एक एरिया के फॉरेस्ट को खत्म कर देते हैं, हम उसे डिग्रेड कर देते हैं. फिशरमैन जब एक पॉन्ड के एक रिवर के फिशेस को फिशिंग कर लेते हैं, सो दे गॉट टू मूव अदर प्लेसेस. सो दिस इज द प्री कंडीशंस ऑफ द नोमैड्स. यही तो थे नोमैड्स. व्हेन दे एक्सप्लॉइट अ सर्टेन पार्ट, they used to move to the another. So the teacher, Mr. Ahuja, nodded thoughtfully. Really, Preeti was right. Mankind has turned into nomads. Instead of looking after the land in a way that we could be sure it would be keep supplying our needs, we keep exploiting it until the land was bare and barren. हम लैंड को जब तक एक्सप्लॉइट करते हैं जब तक कि उसकी फर्टिलिटी खत्म नहीं हो जाए, वो लैंड बैरन नहीं हो जाए. And then off we would go to the next place. The class spent the rest of the afternoon talking about what they could do to demonstrate how to be more civilized. उस टाइम पूरी क्लास में सिर्फ they spent the time in thinking about what we can do, how to be more civilized. So the very next day, everyone attended class wearing a green t-shirt with a message said that I am not a nomad. उस दिन क्लास में every student wear a green t-shirt with the message that I am not a nomad. And from then on, they set about showing that indeed they were not. Every time they knew they needed something, they made sure that they would get it using care and restraint. Ensure that they got the recycled kind. They only used animals that were well cared for and brought up on farms. So these small children get to know about the process that we should only use anything that in a way that it got recycled again. Animals to be we need to well cared for so that they can be used accordingly on their farms. And so from their little town, those children managed to give up being nomads again, just as prehistoric men had done so many thousands of years ago. This is the end of the story, that these small children get to understand that what is the importance of sustainability, how to get use the things in terms to prevent for future generations also. So this is our role, our requirement, our level of education to understand the concept of sustainability. And these are the some of the methods, like how you going to be a use something, some materials that can be create less wastage or can be recycled. You can opt anything of that list. This is a certain list, so whatever suits you, you can opt that. Like what nothing new for a month, skip the shower, make use of mug and bucket, bicycle somewhere, carpool or shared ride, refused a plastic bag, carried your own reusable bottle. So, harvesting rainwater, these all are the some of the suggestions, or you can say the ways to be sustained. We need to work on them at our own level so that we can be an inspiration for other also in saving the environment to protect our biodiversity, all other species, all the natural resources. So